ሃሎ እንዴት ናችሁ? በዛሬው ዕለት ይዤላችሁ የምቀርበው የ2017 የ12ኛ ክፍል የከፍተኛ ትምህርት መልቀቂያ የእንግሊዘኛ ጥያቄዎችን በተለይ ላንጉዌጅ ፎከስ ኦር ግራመር ፓርቱን ነው ማሳየት ወይም ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ የምፈልገው። ጥያቄዎቹ ኦልሞስት 32 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነሱን እጀምራለሁ። The number of items are 100. Actually, I'm going to see about some of the parts of the question. Especially, I want to focus on the grammar part or the language focus. And the next part is skill questions. One is writing and communicative skills. And there is substitution vocabulary and reading comprehension question. So, I'm going to see this parts of grade 12 university entrance exam questions one by one. As soon as possible, I'll try to see just clear justification why we answered A, B, C, or D. Let's start, please, here. 35. At first, the suspect did not realize blank during the interview. Later on, he saw the voice recorded. He saw the voice recorder and refused to continue the interview. It's clear, please. So, the suspect did not realize there is an external force here, right? An external force, this kind of question will not be completed with an active sentence, okay? ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር የሚያሳያችሁ አክቲቭ ሰንተንስ አይደለም። በአክቲቭ ቮይስ ወይም በኖርማል ሰርከምስታንስ ወይም በኖርማል ሰንተንስ ኮንስትራክሽን ኮምፕሊት የምናደርገው ነገር አይደለም። ምክንያቱም later on አላችሁ እዚህ ጋር he saw the voice recorder and refused to continue the interview. Record ተደርጓል ማለት እኮ ነው ያ he saw the voice recorder and refused to continue the interview. Alright, ሰምቶታል። ስለዚህ እንደገና ኢንተርቪው እንዲቀጥል አልፈለገም፣ ሪፊውዝ አድርጎታል ማለት he was being recorded ማለት ነው። ሪከርድ መደረጉን ነው። he was being recorded, did not realize he was being recorded. ሪከርድ መደረጉን ሪያላይዝ አላደረገም ነበር። ከዛ በኋላ ግን ነው he saw the voice recorder and refused. ያ ከዛ በኋላ ግን voice recorderውን ሲሰማ he stopped record or continuing taking the interview. Exactly. ስለዚህ what's answer here? whatever any kind of tense, ምንም ቴንስ ይሁን ምንም ቴንስ የሚገዛን ፓስት ነው። ፓስት ፓሲቭ ቮይስ የሆነ ስትራክቸር ኮምፕሊት ያደርገዋል። He was being recording, passive አይደለም. He had recorded, past perfect ነው. He was recording, the past continuous. He was being recorded, past continuous, passive voice because there is an action here. He saw the voice recorder ይላል. Refused, simple past ነው. So the first action is long progressive, which is past continuous. So he was being recorded ነው ምንለው ያ he was being recorded. Exactly. Unlike last year, unlike last year, this expression, this signal expression is important to give vocabulary clues, especially for comparison and contrast. This is contrasting discourse marker, right? እዚህ ጋር የሚገባው ጉዳይ በunlike ከተገለጸው ሐሳብ ተቃራኒ ነው ማለት ነው። yes, unlike ማለት ነው last year ነው። እዚህ ጋር last year we helped almost everyone in the class የሚለውን ሐሳብ ተቃራኒ ነው እዚህ ጋር ኮምፕሊት የምናደርገው because unlike my brother who is generous, Dave is surely የኔ ወንድም ምንድነው ያልኩት ፍሬንድሊ ነው። ዴቭ surely ስንል የኔን ወንድም ፍሬንድሊ ያልኩትን ኦፖዚት ወይም ተቃራኒ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ የሚችል ቃል ነው ኢንሰርት ማድረገው። surely ማለት stubborn, unfriendly ማለት because the word or the conjunction has this meaning please. ያ ስለዚህ this year, last year እና this year ነው የሚያወዳድረው። almost ሁሉም ተማሪዎች ሲረዱ ቆይተዋል አይደል? unlike last year ማለት ሁሉም ተማሪዎች ሲረዱ ቆይተዋል። only belongs to us need just a few ማለት ነው። yes, only a few ማለት almost no ማለት ነው። yes, a few, some, not many ማለት ነው። small number ማለት a few. only a few ስንል ደግሞ almost no ማለት ነው። almost no which is close to negative. ምንም እንኳን በዚህ አመት ብዙ ሰው የተረዳ ያለም ብዙ ተማሪዎች አልተረዱም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ basic question, key question is unlike here. unlike it ሁለት ሐሳቦችን ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን ስላያያዘ ሲምፕሊ በቀላሉ መመለስ ይችላል ይሄን ጥያቄ nice we should be involved in sports activities to keep we should be involved in sport activities to keep blank fit and healthy oneself yourselves ourselves and ourselves this is reflexive pronoun very common elementary question because we depend on the speaker or the subject of the sentence we ካለ ourselves ነው he ካለ himself ነው she ካለ herself ነው it ካለ itself ነው we ብሎ ourself የሚባል የእንግሊዘኛ ሪፍሌክስ ፕሮናውን የለም wrong structure ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ourselves we depend on the speaker here we ourselves ነው የምንለው we ourselves yeah nothing else because we are the doer of the action here doer of the action ያለውን እኮ ሪፍሌክሲቭ ፕሮናውን ማለት እኮ አክሽንን የምናሳይበት ነው ኢንፋይስ የምንሰጥበት pronoun it's a kind of pronoun of course it's a kind of pronoun yeah question number 38 I belong my homework when you knocked at the door very this question is a tense question had been past perfect present perfect continuous and present perfect and the past continuous what is the structure of the question we have to this is called an example of complex sentence because the first clause is main clause and when you knocked at the door is the dependent or the subordinate clause there is a conjunction when time phrase adverb clause of time no this is happened after or this happened by sudden or it is an interrupted event no ይሄኛው እየተከናወነ እያለ በድንገት የተከናወነ event ነው ስለዚህ was doing past continuous I was doing my homework when you knocked at the door when I was in the middle of doing my homework suddenly my friend or someone knocks the door this happened by default or by chance or sudden happen simply it give us a clue that the question should be completed only the past continuous that is the reason behind it yeah nothing else had been አይደለም የሚሆነው had been ማለት ይሄ ተከናውኖ ካለቀ በኋላ ሁለተኛ past action ሲከናወን መከናወን ሲችል past perfect ነው የምንጠቀመው አይደል past perfect an action had begun before the second action started exactly but it doesn't show this የሚያሳየን when something was in the middle of happening and another past action interrupted it or disturbed it the past continuous exactly have been doing the present perfect continuous because the sentence doesn't go with the simple past have done present perfect it doesn't go with the simple past so the right answer here is the past continuous exactly please Blanca do not complain much my friends often take me for a fool as a result adverb or conjunctive adverb ነው ይሄ conjunctive adverboች ናቸው resulትን ወይም consequence የምንገልጽበት አያያዥ ቃል ነው in spite of adverb clause of contrast or conjunction ነው ይሄ contrast view ነው የሚያያይዘው ነገር ግን structure ምንድነው plus noun phrase ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው that's a noun phrase because of ይሄኛውም እንደዚሁ reason phrase ነው የምንለው ይሄኛውን reason phrase ነው reason phrase ነው ይሄ የሚለው reason ነው የሚገልጸው ስለዚህ ምንን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው ይሄኛውም noun phraseዎችን ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው በቃ ትርጉማቸው ይለያያል ግን noun phrase ነው ስለዚህ what will be the answer here ይሄን ጥያቄው reason ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ ብያችኋለሁ I do not complain much here I do not complain which is a clause so the answer is because yeah because reason because of my because of the complaint ልክ ነው because of the complaint bill of course መልስ ይሆናል my friends often take me for a fool yes because or in spite of my own problem or in spite of my complaint ይቀጥላል ሐሳቡ and as a result ካለ result ነው የሚመጣው ይሄ ግን result አይደለም የሚያሳየን because ግን is reason or cause effect relationship የሚያሳይ ነው ይሄ because as and since the structure here is a clause subject plus verb structure subject plus verb plus object subject plus predicate የሚያሳይ ነው exactly the idea is also reason so the answer is because ነው የምትሉት in spite of I do not complain as a result I do not complain because of I do not complain that's wrong structure no need በፍጹም ሊሆን አይችልም nice please question number 40 ላይ እንሂድ my English is good I blank advised to study English when I was younger. Oh, look here. I blank advised. ይህም ጥያቄ ልክ እንደ I blank advised ማለት there is, we think that there is an external force አለ. external force አለ ማለት በፓሲቭ ቮይስ እንዲገለጽ የሚያስገድዳቸው ነገር advised አላችሁ እዚህ ጋር to study English when I was younger. Exactly. I wish I had been advised to study English when I was younger. ወጣት እንደነበርኩኝ እንግሊዘኛ እንዳጠና አድቫይስ ተደርጌ ነበር ነው። አድቫይስ ተደርጌ ነበር ማለት somebody advised him to study English. ስለዚህ እሱ ምንድን ሆነ ማለት ነው? ኤጀንት ነበረ። ኤጀንት ሆኗል መጀመሪያ። አሁን ያረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት ሆነ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ I wish ስንጠቀም regretting the past ማለት ነው. Yes, when I was younger ነው የሚላቸው እዚህ ጋር look here. When I was younger it has already passed. Yes, it has already passed. ስለዚህ past perfect ማለት talking in the past or regretting the past. Absolutely right. I wish this is the word please. We can say I wished አንልም. I wished I had been አንልም. And I wished I was አንልም. I wish I have been present perfect አንልም. Correct structure ይሄ ነው. I wish I had been advised to study English when I was younger. But I didn't study English ማለት ነው. Yes. I regret about this. I'm sorry for this. I didn't study whenever I was advised or I had been advised to study English. ምንም እንኳን እንደዚህ እንዳጠና ብመከርም እንግሊዘኛ ላጠናሁ ነበር ማጥናት አልቻልኩም ነበር ማለት ነው። ይሄ implied meaning ነው። Do you understand me? I think ይሄ ተረዳኝ የሚገባ ነገር ግን እኔ ራሴ there is a question here. My English is not good ነው የሚላችሁ እዚህ ጋር My English is not good ካለ which is present result ነው. Okay, present result ነው. I wish ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ይሄን ባስቀምጠው I wish look here. I wish I was not advised. I was advised. I wish I was advised. እንደዚህ ብሎ ለምሳሌ look here. I wish I was ለምሳሌ I wish I subject I ላጥፋው እዚህ ጋር because there is subject here. My English is not good. I wish I wish I was advised. Yes. Look here. I was እንደዚህ ይሄን advised ላጥፋው እንደዚህ ላጥፋው ይሄ ነው እንደዚህ ብቻ ቢኖር ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ስተቱ አሁን ኢዲ መጨመር ለምሳሌ My English is not good. I wish I was advised to study English when I was younger. Absolutely right. አሁን ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ሪዘልት ምንድነው? Regretting the present ነው አይደል? My English at the time my English is not good. It's poor English I spoke. አይደል? መጠቀም እንግሊዘኛ እንትን ነው አይደል? Regretting the present ነው። ስለዚህ I wish I was advised to study English እንግሊዘኛ እንዳጠና አድቫይስ ተደረገ ወጣት እንደነበርኩኝ ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ አሁን እንግሊዘኛ ልናገርም ማለት ነው አይደል? እንግሊዘኛ ልናገር present result ነው። present result ከሆነ ደግሞ I wish plus simple past እንጠቀማለን። ይሄን ትርጉም ልናገኝ እንችላለን። ይሄን ትርጉም ይሰጠናል of course። ይሄን ትርጉም ትተን completely ከተቀመጡት አማራጮች ውስጥ appropriate የሆነው I wish I had been ነው። ይሄን ትርጉም ትተን my English is not good የሚለው ነው። Okay, my English is not good የሚለው ሪጀክት አድርገን ይሄ መልስ ይሆናል። my English is not good ካለ ግን regretting the present ነው። present result ነው ያለው አይደል? I wish I was advised to study English when I was younger ማለት እንዳጠና አድቫይስ ተደርጌ ነበር ወጣት ነበርኩ እንዳጠና ተደርጌ ነበር። ስለዚህ አላጠናሁም ማለት እኮ ነው። yes ባጠና ምኞቴ ነበር። yes አላጠናሁም። ስለዚህ የኔ እንግሊዘኛ ጥሩ አይደለም አሁን ማለት ነው። present result አለው። ይሄ ማለት conditional type 2 ወይም improbable condition ማለት ነው። wish plus simple past ማለት improbable conditional unfulfilled condition 50-50 probability ማለት unimaginary condition unimaginary output ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ሪዘልት ታገኛለን። ስለዚህ I wish I was advised to study best answer ነው የሚሆነው። ይሄን ተከታው ነው ግን መልሳችን ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንዲህ አይነት እንትኖች አሉ። that's anyway what I want to say here. I blank much today if I had learned about money management at a younger age. It's clear please. This is conditional type questions please. conditional type question ነው። actual type 1 type 2 type 3 እዚህ ጋር if clause ተቀምጧል። had plus learned past perfect ከሆነ main clause ላይ would have should have could have might have plus verb 3 or conditional perfect ነው የምንለው። ይሄ did not worry አይደለም will not worry አይደለም would not worry አይደለም would not have worried would plus have plus verb 3 unfulfilled condition or unrecoverable condition impossible condition or totally regretting the past because there is an information had plus verb 3 which is called past perfect. This is conditional perfect. So the answer is would have worried here. I would not have worried much today if I had learned about money management of my younger age. Complete answer. So the answer is here. ይሄ conditional type ሲሆን ነው conditional type 1 and main clause ከሆነ እዚህ ላይ ነው የምጠቀመው conditional type 2 ነው የሚሆነው conditional type 1 main clause ላይ ይሄ if clause ላይ ነው እዚህ ላይ እንደውም አንከተም main clause ላይ አንከተውም ያ question number 42 blank you ever blank a chance to visit any historical site in Ethiopia had you ever have do you have such kind of combination here what kind of tense is it is it present perfect or past perfect which auxiliary verb does it begin if you want to make a perfect question yeah did you ever have a chance to visit any historical site in Ethiopia what is it implying meaning here is it possible to combine this did with have and does this structure it just uses ever and when do we use ever what's the implied meaning ever means ever means if you use ever for present perfect from the past until the time being if you use ever for past perfect from the past until another past this is the correct uses of ever which has positive meaning and we use ever for asking question only all right yes the right answer here is have you ever have a chance have you ever have a chance this is not a tense question or the structure of tense have you ever had a chance have you ever had the present perfect question that's right I have had I have had ምክንያቱም had you have past participle ስለሆነ በquestionም በstatementም ስገልጸው have you ever had a chance to visit any historical site in Ethiopia exactly the present perfect question right form the answer is B exactly yeah ምንም የሚያሻማ ጥያቄ አይደለም nice next question the road project by the construction company next year the road project is here the road project which is the action the receiver and the agent is not the subject is not the performer is not the door of the action it focuses action by itself so this question is only completely passive voice በቃ ተደራጊ ነው አድራጊ አይደለም አክሽን ነው ሌላ ፐርሰን ፐርፎርም የሚያደርገው ነገር ነው ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ሆኖ ከመጣ ምንም በማይክሮ ሰከንድ በማይክሮ እንትን ነው የምትመልሱት ስለዚህ will be completed ሁለተኛ by phrasal if you want to know the person who does this event by phrase indicate ያደርጋል ስለዚህ will be completed because I told you here why I am intended to answer with future passive voice ለምሳሌ the manager will future passive voice because we know the speaker we focus on the door not the agent of the action we not focus the action but we focus the performer here we know the speaker so that's active voice here we don't know the speaker we don't know the subject here ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር የሚሰጠን ፍንጭ ስላለ will be completed the right answer so ነው የሚሆነው exactly nice please next question please next question here if I had enough money I belong schools with elevators for visually impaired children if I had this is called still the conditional question if I had the question begins with if clause and the verb here is simple past only which is conditional type 2 ወይም improbable condition ነው if the if clause is simple past the main clause should be would plus verb 1 should plus verb 1 might plus verb 1 could plus verb 1 ብቻ ነው የምንጠቀመው will have built is not the kinds of what's called conditional but rather future perfect would build would plus verb 1 is true for conditional type 2 or improbable condition so the answer is would plus verb 1 exactly እሱም አይሆንም ለኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 3 ነው ይሄ ለኮንዲሽናል ወይም ለኦፕን ኮንዲሽን ነው የምንጠቀምበት ይሄ ስለዚህ ፍንጭ የሰጠን ጉዳይ if clause ላይ የተጠቀመበት verb simple past ከሆነ main clause ላይ ቅድም እንዳልኩት would should could might plus verb 1 እንጠቀማለን ይሄ regretting the present ማለት ነው unimaginary condition unimaginary output ነው እዚህ ጋር የምናስበውን ነገር ነው የምናወጣው there might be sometimes a 50-50 probability ሊሆን ይችላል ላይሆን ይችላል ብለን የምንሰራው if I had enough money I don't have enough money ማለት so I will not or I can't build schools all right, with schools for elevator visual impaired students ልገነባቸው because I don't have any money ቢኖረኝ ለእንደዚህ ተማሪዎች ልገነባቸው ኤሌቬተር ያለው ልገነባቸው ነበር so I don't have so I can't build ማለት ነው ማለት regretting the present ያልነው ይሄን ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው would build ነው the three conditionals very common an elementary question በቀላል ሰዓት የምትመልሷቸው ጥያቄዎች ናቸው please next year this time I belong the freshman program yeah next year this time it is scheduled please next year this time is scheduled it shows but an action will be ended an action will be completed an action will be finished within this expected time not later than not sooner than this expected time these kinds of tenses the future perfect that's sure በቃ ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም በቃ እዚህ ጋር ነው ጥያቄ የሞተው የተቀመጠ schedule የሆነ ታይም አለ will have almost completed future perfect will be nearly complete simple future had nearly completed past perfect would have nearly completed is not perfect question አይደለም but conditional structure or forms of conditional type sorry so we'll have almost completed the right answer here is A exactly ቅድም የሰጠሁት ማብራሪያ በቂ ነው ለዚህ question number 46 this year's examination is as good as the one given last year this is a kind of tag question please yeah tag በጣም ቀላል ነው ጥያቄው tag question ነው ሁለት ግራ አለን positive statement plus negative tag and ሁለተኛው negative statement plus positive tag if a sentence has complex sentence means one is dependent and the other is independent our attention is the main clause not the dependent because complete meanings are not carried by the dependent but complete meaning is carried by the main clause here this is a simple sentence or a simple sentence which has only one main idea and one verb here is so the structure here is positive so the tag question is negative here ሌሎች ህጎችም አሉ እዚህ ጋር ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ ልስጥበት ይሄ ባክግራውንድ ኢንፎርሜሽን እንለዋለን ይሄ ባክግራውንድ ኢንፎርሜሽኑ ልክ እንደዚህ ፖዚቲቭ ሆኖ ታግ ኩዌስችኔ ኔጌቲቭ ነው የሚሆነው መጨረሻ ላይ ማገኘው መልስ አሁንም ፖዚቲቭ ነው የሚሆነው ዳ ማለት this is examination as good as ብዬ መልሳለሁ ማለት ነው ሁለተኛው ህግ መነሻ ሐሳቡ ኔጌቲቭ ከሆነ ታግ ኩዌስችኔ ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል ማገኘው መልስ ሁለቱንም ይዛል either negative statement no plus negative statement or yes plus positive statement ታገኛለሁ ይሄ simply is a tag question so the answer is isn't it ብለን መልሳለን Amit Daggar blank phone number I was asking for relative pronoun questions here we have 5 types of relative the first one is whom whose that which and who actually whom it refers about object pronoun or jetty case no it refers about person object of the verb እንለዋለን object of the verb ያለን ሐሳብ ነው የሚገልጸው okay object ለምሳሌ the girl whom I know is a doctor ይችላልው the girl whom I know is or the person whom he lives next to my door is a journalist ይችላልው the lecturer or the teacher whom I know is just ብዬ ልገልጽ ይችላልው okay object of the verb ማለት አረፍተ ነገሩ ኦብጀክት ላይ ያለ ጉዳይ ማራከረ ሆነ ተጠቀማሉ actually who ስንጠቀም possession ነው belonging ነው የሚያወራው we can just use whose in place of what በማን ቦታ ልተካው ይችላል ሆን his ልጠቀም ይችላል look here her ልጠቀም ይችላል exactly ያ በእነዚህ ቦታ ላይ ተጠቀማል who's ይሄ ከሆነ ደግሞ followed by nouns ያ followed by nouns ማን ተከትሎ ይላል ማለት ነው ስምን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው which it refers about things and maybe what animals እንጠቀምበታለን okay ይሄ that is substitute ማን ይተካል who ይተካል at the same time which ይተካል okay which ተከተል ተከበታል ሁለት ነገር አለው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ከዚህ አንፃር መልሳችን የሚሆነው ማን ነው whose phone number አለ noun ነው belonging possession ነው owners ነው proprietor ነው የሚገልጸው so the answer is whose ብለን ነው የምንቀይረው whose ብለን ነው whose phone number I meet the girl her phone number ማለቱ ነው I meet the girl her phone number ነው የሚለው her phone number possessive adjective ነው በማን እንገልጸዋለን በwhose እንገልጸዋለን ይሄን ተካልኝ ይሄ ስም ሆነ so the answer is whose ብላችሁ ብትመርጡት whose ብለን ነው የምንመርጠው ዛት ሁለቱን ይተካል ማለት ነው። ፐርሰንም ቲንግ ለምሳሌ the book that I bought ይቻላል። the book which I bought ይቻላል። the person that I know ይቻላል። the person whom I know ይቻላል። the person who works ሊል ይችላል። the person or the man who works ሊል ይችላል። እነዚህን ሐሳቦች በማለት ሊተካቸው ይችላል። ዛት ማለት ነው። yes ዛት ማለት ነው። that's the way please but that is not true when the sentence is non-restrictive ከሆነ that verbን ተከትሎ አይሄድም። impossible to use for non-restrictive or non-defining relative clauses. Yeah. Question number 48. Yes. When you acknowledge people's contribution to your work, you need to refer to, refer for, refer with, refer at his or her name, refer to her name, refer for her name, refer to her name. Which one do you think is right? So the answer is refer to her name. ብላችሁ yes የpreposition ጥያቄ ነው actually የpreposition ጥያቄ is important question because they possibly complete the meaning of the sentence ስለሆነ ዓላማቸው አገባባቸውን የግድ ነው። blank listening, blank reading are my important academic skills students need to develop both and yeah these conjunctions are correlative ነው የምንላቸው correlative because they are found in pairs neither nor ማለት none of the two ማለት ነው ሁለቱም አይጠቅሙም ማለት ነው። either nor we don't have this kind of sentence structure either nor የሚባል structure የለኝም ስለዚህ either or ከሆነ of course ነው አለቀ እዚህ ጋር either or that የለም either nor የለኝም እዚህ ጋር neither nor not the one not the other ሁለቱም አይደለም both and not only but also ነው positive meaning ነው actually either or one of the two ማለት ነው ስለዚህ are important academic skills students need to develop ሁለቱም important academic skills ናቸው ስለዚህ positive sense ነው ጥያቄው የሚፈልገው ማን ነው መልሳችን both and by default ከሌለ እንኳን not only listening but also reading are important skills academic skills for students so the answer is both and so this question is or this is called correlative conjunctions because they are found in pairs they join words nouns verbs adjectives clauses something like that ይሄን ነው የሚያያዙ በዚህ ኬስ ስምን ነው ያያያዙ ያሉት አይደለ nice he belong his children to school 5 days a week yeah blank he drives simple present simple past and present perfect and drive simple present if the speaker is plural here but here this is third person singular which is drives which is permanent activity he drives his children to school 5 days a week exactly permanent context ነው simple present ነው በሳምንት and also there is a definite frequency adverbs እዚህ ጋር 5 days a week yeah driving how many times 5 days a week yeah he has driven his children to school 5 days a week yeah anyway the answer is he drives so A is the answer please yeah the other question please my father is not blank old blank years he is only 53 years old such as actually this is adverb question such as totally we don't have this kind of adverb please such የሚባል structure የለንም also የሚባል structure የለንም asas ምን ማለት ነው ማለት asas ሁለት ነገር አለው positive comparative ለምሳሌ he is as old as or your father is as old as my father እኩል ናቸው ማለት ነው and my friend is as clever as my brother ሁሉም እኩል ናቸው ማለት ነው I am as clever as you can just use እኩል ናቸው ማለት ነው yes my father is not as old as my just yours he is only 53 years old so the answer is as the right word a positive degree ነው የምንለው ሁለት ነገሮች similarity sameness equality እንጠቀም ከሆነ asas እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው yeah the next question here Lojo is belong to a girl he can just or she can easily touch the ceiling of her classroom such as that as such that and so that here so look the structure ይሄ ጥያቄ adverb clause of result ነው ምንድነው yes result የምንገልጽበት ነገር ናቸው ለምሳሌ such as that ስንጠቀም such as that or such as ስንጠቀም adjective ነው if it is an adjective it modifies a noun ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት such plus adjective plus singular noun ነው የምንጠቀምበት እዚህ ጋር ያለው noun singular noun መሆን አለበት such appropriate ነው ማለት ነው so that ስንጠቀም so that በራሱ adverb ነው ስለዚህ adverb ከሆነ ምን ተከትሎ ይላል አድቨርቦችን ይገልጻል፣ አድጀክቲቮችን ይገልጻል፣ ቨርቦችን ይገልጻል፣ ስምን ሊገልጽ አይችልም። ስለዚህ መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። አሰች ዛት ሚኒንግፉል ስትራክቸር አይደለም። ሰቻስ ሚኒንግፉል ስትራክቸር አይደለም። ስለዚህ ማነው መልሳችን? ሰች ኤዛት ብለን እንመልሳለን። ሉክ ሂር Lojo is such a tall girl that she can easily touch the ceiling of our classroom. Definitely, please, yeah. Definitely. So the answer is here. ይህን ጥያቄ ወደ ልቀይረው እችላለሁ፣ በሶዛ ልገልጸው እችላለሁ። Lojo is so tall. Look, Lojo is so tall that she can easily touch the ceiling of her classroom. So tall. ገረና ያወጣው በዚህ ጋር ስሙን አልገልጽም ማለት ነው። Nice. Question number 53. Some students did well on the last week's English test. Blank others scored unsatisfactory marks. I'm designing an action to study the case. What about when here? As time adverb, despite, conjunction adverb, whereas, contrast adverb, and if condition adverb. Look here. The answer is whereas ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ታይም አይፈልግም። ዲስፓይት የምጠቀም ከሆነ ስትራክቸሩ ክሎዝ ሳይሆን ፍሬዝ ነው። ዲስፓይት አዘርስ ስኮርድ አይደለም ነው። ስለዚህ ዲስፓይት ፕላስ ናውን ፍሬዝ ኦፍ ኮርስ ፖሲብል ነው። ራይት ስትራክቸር ነው አይደለ? ዌራስ ካልኩ ግን ሁለቱ ሀሳቦች ተቀራኒ ናቸው። ክሎዝን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል። it has the same meaning with also, even so, though and so. That's the difference, please. Otherwise whereas እና despite they are in the same group, adverb clause of contrast or conjunction ናቸው። ዲፈረንሱ the structure of the sentence ነው። ያ Nice, please. Question number 54. Yeah. My English teacher here, my English teacher blank me repeat the correct answer 10 times. Yeah. My English teacher wanted me. My English teacher forced me. My English teacher told me. My English teacher made me repeat. Exactly. Technical question. Yeah. Made late plus objective case plus an action verb without bare infinitive tune አይወስድም። made me repeat ነው የምትሉት። made me to repeat አይደለም። የጠየቀን make and let exceptional verb pattern ናቸው። ኦብጀክት ይፈልጋሉ። ከነሱ ቀጥሎ ያለው ስትራክቸር ደግሞ simply verb ነው፣ action verb ነው, but it doesn't take an infinitive tune አይወስድም። እዚህ ጋር ምን ማለት ነው? ይሄ ማለት my English teacher made me to repeat ምን meaningless ነው። that was the correct use of make and let የጠየቀን ጥያቄ ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ምንድነው? made ነው። exactly 55 My history teacher asked me what is your nationality? What my nationality was? Yeah, right ነው። ሪፖርት አደረኩት what my nationality was, what's your nationality? report is question ነው። ሪፖርት አደረገው actually pronoun ይቀየራል፣ ስፒከሩ ይቀየራል፣ ቴንስ ይቀየራል፣ adjective ይቀየራል፣ adverbs ይቀየራሉ። በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ምንድነው የሚቀየረን? ያ what is your ነው ያለኝ። ፕሮናውን ተቀየረ። your የሚለው ወደ ተቀይረዋለሁ፣ ወደ ማ ይቀይረዋለሁ። simple present ነው and this is called simple past ነው። this is a structure of question ነው። እዚህ ጋር ያለው ደግሞ structure of statement ነው። ምን አለ እንደዚህ ብሎ ጠይቆ የነበር ብዬ ነው እንጂ ጥያቄውን በጥያቄ መልክ ሪፖርት ማድረግ ስለሌለብኝ the correct structure is a ብለን እንመልሳለን። nice, please. Next question here. Question number 56. You belong go to bed before midnight if you have the habit of getting up late. The modal verb questions will not, may not, must not, and cannot here. You get to bed before midnight if you have the habit of getting up late. Yeah, this is the best question. Yeah, so you must not get up or you must not go to bed before midnight if you have the habit of getting up late. So must have እዚህ ጋር deduce እንዳደርግ ያደረገኝ ወይም ሰርቴንትን እንዲገልጽ ያደረገኝ you have the habit of getting up late የሚለው things must not እንድጠቀም ያደርገኛል። so the answer is must not እጠቀማለሁ። nice, please. Question number 57. You will start running blank the bell rings, otherwise you will be disqualified for the competition. nice, please. Yeah, till, during, while, after አራቱም ዲስትራክተሮች ታይም ናቸው። adverb clause of time ናቸው። till ስንጠቀም there is a procedure. yes, you will wait until I come. Do something until your mother comes. yeah, there is such kind of structure, please. during የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ደግሞ ፍሬዝ ነው ተከትሎ። ለምሳሌ he broke his leg during the game. he fell asleep during the game ስንል ታይምን ነው የሚገልጹት፣ ግን ፍሬዝ ናቸው። what kind of phrase? ናውን ፍሬዝን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል during ማለት ነው። after two different actions happen in different times. okay, while exactly your sister or you will start running while the bell rings. So the answer is while the shore እሱ ነው። ዋይል ማለት በነገራችን ላይ at the time when ነው ትርጉሙ። ስለዚህ ዋይል ነው መልሳችን። ሌሎቹ ይሄን ጥያቄ ኮምፕሊት ሊያደርጉ አይችሉም። The afternoon sun is look here. The afternoon sun is blank hot for school children. Blank play outside. That better stay in their class. Yeah. Search for. No, we don't have this structure, please. Very for. No. Tutu. Tutu, which has tutu ማለት so that not ማለት ነው። tutu ማለት such a so such a such and that ማለት ነው። tutu ማለት the tea is too hot to drink it so I can drink it ማለት ነው አይደል? the tea is too hot to drink it ማለት the tea is so hot that I can drink it ማለት ነው አይደል? ወደ so that ነው ስቀይረው negative implied meaning ነው ያለው tutu ማለት so the afternoon sun is too hot for school children to play outside. Exactly. tutu structure best complete ያደርገዋል. Nice. The other question here. The lady blank next to our English teacher is my mother's close friend. Sitting, sit, sat, and sits. The lady sitting, which is called gerund, no, actually, which is called gerund function as a noun. Right? Gerund function as a noun. And that's similar to the yes, gerund sitting. The lady sit next to. The lady sat next to. The lady sits next to. Our English teacher is, yeah. So the answer is sitting. Question number 6 is, unlike my friends who dislike drinking coffee. አሁን ይሄ ጥያቄ እንደገና ተመልሶ መጣ። አሁን dislike drinking coffee ነው። በቃ የኔ ጓደኛ ቡና በፍጹም አይጠጣም ማለት ነው። yes. I belong go to bed at night without coffee. yes. እኔ ብዙ ጠጣለሁ ማለት ነው። የኔ ጓደኛ ምንም ቡና አይጠጣም ካልኩ እኔ ብዙ ጠጣለሁ ማለት ነው። yes. እኔ ብዙ ጠጣለሁ ማለት እኔ ብዙ ጠጣለሁ የሚል ትርጉም የሚሰጠን ወርድ የትኛው ነው? yes, always ነው። always go to bed at night. No, I never go to bed at night without coffee. ሁልጊዜ ጠጣለሁ ማለት ነው። never ምንም ቡና ሳልጠጣ ወደ መኝታ ክፍሌ ማታ አልሄድም። ስለዚህ ሁልጊዜ ቡና ጠጣለሁ ማለት ነው። I never go to bed at night without coffee ማለት without coffee የሚለው structure never እንድትጠቀሙ አደረጋችሁ። ይሄ ባይኖር I always go to bed by drinking coffee at night ብዬ ልመልሰው እችላለሁ። ኦኬ ስለዚህ never the right word please. yeah. Nice please. Next question in committing corruption blank life imprisonment in several countries in the world impacts arises from affects and leads to. yes, look here. Committing corruption leads to life imprisonment in several resulted in ማለት ነው. yes, resulted in or leads to or just like that please. resulting የሚገልጽ ነው። committing corruption የሚያመጣውን ነገር ነው እየገለጽን ያለው። አራይዛል መነሻውን አይደለም የሚፈልገው። so the answer is leads to ብለን መልሳለን። nice please. next question. I always have much work to do. That's why I blank have time to listen to music. I always have much work to do. I'm exhausted by office workers. I'm busy by office workers. I have a lot of workers, a dozen of workers ካለ ሰዓት የለኝም ማለት ነው አይደል? ሙዚቃ ማዳመጥበት ሰዓት የለኝ ነው ሴንሱ። definitely have, mainly have, scarcely, shortage of time to listen music, shortage of time to refresh my mind ማለት ነው አይደል? scarcely, adverbs of manner ነው የምንላቸው እነዚህ። almost negative meaning ነው scarcely ማለት negative meaning ማለት ነው። almost ሰዓት የለኝም ሌላ ነገሮችን መሰራበት ማለት ነው። this is all about the grammar questions. These grammar questions are not somehow difficult. So I try to give some clues how you answer the grammar question. Firstly, you do understand the intent of the question. Then you directly come to the detractors or the multiple choices. Some detractors are irrelevant. You have to. Relevant means the structure themselves is wrong. Totally የዲስትራክተሮቹ ስትራክቸራቸው መዋቅራቸው አገላለጻቸው ትክክል አይደለም። እነሱ መለየት ይቻላል። በእይታ ዝም ብላችሁ መለየት ይችላልላችሁ። ከዛ ውጭ ግን የግራመር ስትራክቸር ሂንት ካገያችሁ በኋላ ወደ ምርጫው መምጣትና ምርጫውን ጥያቄው መመለስ መቻል very important መንገድ ነው። So I think this is what I want to say about the 2070 University Entrance Examination. The second part here is writing skill. I'm going to present next time. For the time being, thank you, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Have a nice night, please.